on a floor. Calculate the work done by the force. All of you, do it fast. So what is the angle it is exerting force? You have to draw the diagram first. So this is the surface. What is the angle exerting force? Everybody? F is equals to 15 newtons. What angle? Check it, everybody. 60 degrees. And the distance traveled is 5 meters. Okay. So what is the formula? W is equals to, work done is equals to, what is the formula, guys? Fs cos theta. No response. Okay, Harish. So force is equals to 15 newtons, distance is equals to 5 meters in and cos 60 degrees. So we all know cos 60 is equals to how much?
1/2, sir.
1 by 12. So which is equals to 75 into 1 by 2, which is equals to 35.5 joules. Please do it fast. Anything down? You can ask. Clear? Now, last question. Give reasons whether the work is done in the following activities or not. Okay? Give reasons.
Sir,
Yes, sorry.
sir, the answer is 37.5, sir, not
Okay.
35.5.
Okay, okay. 37.5. Okay. Whether the work is done in the following activities. Ms. Haris errors are solving? Now, first one, I will say the statement. You all should give your explanation.
Sir, I'm sorry.
I will see that. A green plant is carrying out photosynthesis. Is it a work done or not? I want the answer from you all. Yes, please. You can take anything, your choice. Anybody? Natakshri, Harish, Abhirami? Photosynthesis.
Sir, your work is not done.
Why? Abhirami?
There is no force involved, sir.
No force.
There is
So
no
there is no displacement, sir.
Very good. So no work is done during the photosynthesis because in green plant, because what is happening? No
Forces.
no
And no
displacement.
displacement.
Understanding is produced in the plant. So that, and also what? No force also. So that is why what will happen? Work done is equals to,
0. Sir.
so work done is equals to 0 joules. Very good. Second, food grains are getting dried in the sun. Food grains are
0. Sir.
getting dried in the
There is no
sun.
force, sir.
Yes. Now, no work is done, or work is done, or no work is done.
No
No
work
work
is
is
done,
done,
sir.
sir.
Why?
Sir, no displacement here, sir.
That is. So no work is done when the food grains are dried in the sun because no force is exerted. And as well as no force and as well as what? No displacement also. Yes or no? All of you? Clear? No displacement. So work done is equals to what? Next. 3. A boy is swimming in the river. A boy is swimming
The
in
displacement is done, sir.
the river.
Work done is done, sir.
Yes,
Work done
Yes,
is
sir. Work
done.
done is there, sir.
work is done. Why?
So because it's displacing, sir.
Because
It's
force
done
and
because the
also
boy
displacement is
swims.
applied, sir.
Boy swims. Swims in the sense of what? Swims without.
He applies force to
Yes.
swim
So,
in a particular direction.
yes, very good. He will apply the force. Force is applied. Understanding? And as well as he produces what?
Displacement, sir.
Displacement.
Produces displacement. Are you clear? Next.
Yes, sir.
Next, ox is carrying a load on his back. An ox. Ox or bull or donkey, whatever it is carrying. Very carefully check it. Carrying a load on his back. Like a pulley,
No
railway pulley.
displacement is done, sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir, because there is no displacement, sir.
Yes. Very good. So as we know, like a railway pulley, he's exerting, ox is exerting force on which direction?
Onward direction, sir.
Ox is
Perpendicular.
applying force in which direction? A load it is carrying. Which direction?
Upward, sir.
Upward. Understand, Harish? Upward
Yes, sir.
force. So upward force to balance the weight. Is it yes or no? Balance the
Yes, sir.
weight of the load. Now, since the upward force is perpendicular to the displacement, what is the angle? Force is like this, displacement is like this. So what is the angle between them?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. So work done by upward force is what? Work done by upward force. How much are you? How much?
0, sir.
0. Clear, everybody? So what is that here? The force is, upward force is perpendicular to displacement. Upward force is perpendicular to the displacement. So this is the ox and this is the displacement force. So that is clear, everyone? Yes, anything doubt? I want the answer.
No doubt, sir.
Clear? So like this,
Yes,
you
sir.
all must able to solve the questions which are related to the work. Whatever the questions will come, work means that's all will happen. Now, in the next class, we will study the things related to energy and the types of energy, how to derive the derivations for energies, because that is the most important concept, which will continuously they'll ask the questions in the exam also. What is energy and what kind of energies existed in the given example? Same way, numericals are more like theory-based numericals is extremely more in the case of energy, like kinetic energy, understanding and potential energy. So derivations also we have to learn, and as well as some conclusions, some important conclusions. Now, what you all people will do? Of course, we will finish it. It's not a big thing. We will easily will solve that, and we'll make it. Now, you all people need to make it. Exercise page number in H and the book, the soft copy. Those who are having soft copy, like Hari Jairaj, page number 145. On page number 146, same way page number 147, you will be having so many questions related to work done. Of course, energy also it will be there, but leave the energy and solve the questions related to the work done, so that all the questions you have to finish it by within 2 days. Like means in the sense of before Saturday, today is a Friday, Sunday. By Sunday, you have to complete it. So Sunday, then energy questions. By the time tomorrow and after tomorrow, I will teach the energies. So after that, you will finish that also. Then next week, hardly we will finish the power questions. So that all the things will be completed. Is it okay, everybody? Are you clear? Now, gravitation chapter, this chapter having the interconnection. Gravitation chapter, we found that how much, at what height they will meet, like that questions. Do you all remember that? Up one ball is released, down one ball is released, like that. Yes or no? All of
Yes,
you?
sir.
Now here, same way what will happen means, they will ask you to find the energy at that particular height, like maybe a potential energy or kinetic energy, like that they will ask you how much energy at that particular height. Do you understand, everybody? So we have to calculate the same height. We have to imagine like we will imagine two balls are falling. One is falling up and one is thrown up from the down. One travel by distance is x. Remaining one is h minus x. Do you remember, everyone? Harish, Mitakshi. We'll imagine as x and
Yeah.
h minus x, like that. So the same way here, we people will imagine and will find the height. Okay. So that is you have to remember it. So that is why gravitation chapter will be having importance here. So kindly solve all the questions related to the work done. Later, we will solve the energy also. Energy is the most important for your 11th and 12th also. So that is why we'll stress on it and we'll solve all the questions. Thank you, everybody. Bye. We'll meet in tomorrow's class.